Hello everyone, this is Anorf, and this will be a small tutorial video on how to use NPC Appearance Copier for Vortex and Skyrim Special Edition. So I hope you will forgive me because I am French and this is my first video. I will do my best for you to understand as fast as possible. Okay, let's start. First of all, in the description you will find links, and this is the first one. github.com, you will go on Synthesis and download synthesis.zip. Once this is done, you will go to the other link in the description, which is .net.microsoft.com, and you will download SDK x64.net, and you will go through all steps until you find install. Then you might restart your computer, but it is not necessarily needed because I didn't need to. Once everything is done, you will go to your download folders, and there it is. And then you will take synthesis.com and put it in where you want to install it. So this is it. I put it in my games folder, but you can put it on your C local drive. You can choose whatever you want. I put it in Vortex mods, and then you extract synthesis like this, and there you got this folder. There will not be everything like this, but you will get the synthesis.exe. Once this is done, you will open Vortex, and you will go to your main board or dashboard like this, and go to Tools. In Tools, you will go to Open, to Plus, and New Tool. You will select a target, and there you will go where you extracted synthesis. There. You will then open, and then if you have some problems, this is a small fix which I found on GitHub, so I will show you. You will put this on this, like this, and then there you will have synthesis. Okay, so once this is done, you should have this icon, and if you have this fix installed, it will look like this. The icon and synthesis. You will launch synthesis. There will just be synthesis and not those two, but we're going to go for them. So you will go to this icon, add a Git repository as a patcher, and then you will input NPC. Here you will look for NPC Appearance Copier and press the plus button to add patcher. Once this is done, you will get NPC Appearance Copier here, and you might have an orange warning with an error. This will be fixed. You will go on versioning here, and at mutagen you will check match. And again on synthesis you will check match, and this should fix your mistake here. You will get ready in green. If you have this, you are ready to copy an NPC. You will then go to settings, and here you have several options. In here you have the plugins included. I'm not sure if this includes, but I think this might have Skyrim.esm, but like this. I think it was like this when we started, but I deleted everyone so that nothing is excluded because I need Skyrim.esm. I will take base NPCs from Skyrim. The other options of this to get an output, but you will not change it for now, and base change action, you will take change, which is the best option in my opinion. You will then go to NPC, and there you have two unfilled lengths. So you have copy from this. Well, this is an option for you to get to copy from this character to this one. So this will be the face used. Remember, this one is the face used and this is the receiver. So here you will enter whatever you want the name of your NPC. For me, it's Nielsen. This can be empty if this is a base game character NPC, which is the case here. So form key is empty, it's alright. You will then, this is Herika. Oops, Herika from ChatGPT. So the name is Herika SGP, and you should have the ESP here, which is good, and this is the base ID, I think. This should be green and green, and you will have the option to copy the body, which you can do or not, the outfit, and to back up face gen. You will take whatever you want. You can take this one and this one, and you can take also copy resources to plugin, but this is not mandatory and it depends. Here I have a Nielsen from the base game from Skyrim.esm. So if I copy dependencies, it will be a mess and take a long time, so I will not do it here. But if you have two NPCs from two different mods you just download, you can copy resources to plug it. Once this is done, you will launch here from group pipeline, and there. This will not appear for you. This is an error because I already did this. So this is normal. You will not get this. What is important is that you will get copying appearances of Nielsen to Herika, and this is good. Now your NPC is copied and we will need to transfer its face. So you will exit synthesis and you will go to Vortex. In Vortex you will check plugins, and there you will enter synthesis and check if you have the synthesis.esp. If it is created, this is good. You will then have the load order. At the bottom of the load order, this must be in the group late fixes and changes. Alright, so this is working. Now you will go inside your synthesis folder, which is for me here, and you will go in data, and you will have a Skyrim Special Edition folder. You will go into it and the NPC-Appearance Copier, and then face gen output. There you will have two folders, which are meshes and textures. You will take them and you will create a new archive, zip or rare archive with the name you want. Remember, you need a name that will be that you will remember, because this will be your ESP. So put a name to remember. For me, it will be Nielsen to Herika, to understand that I changed the faces. Alright, and so there it is, Nielsen to Herika. Once this is done, you will go to Vortex and to Downloads. In Downloads, you will put Nielsen to Herika. Here, the .war or zip you just created into this, and you will install this. Vortex will deploy. This might take a while depending on how many mods you have, of course. For me it's quite long, but I'll show you soon. This is almost over. So okay, so this is last will not appear, but you will have there are unresolved file conflicts. This is normal. Alright, so okay. Okay, so normally this will be the one you will have to change. The Herika to Nielsen for me, and the Herika to ChatGPT companion. This is the original mod, and this is the mod you created. So the mod you created must go after the original mod you're modding, of course. You must override with your new mod. And once this is done, you're good to go. So for me, I will just, in order not to have problems, I will delete this. Don't do this. This is just for me not to forget this. Alright, now you're good to go. Once this is deployed, you can deploy manually here. You will have your NPC transferred with new faces. So now, for me, Nielsen, no, Herika will have the face of Nielsen, which is what I wanted. And what is nice is that I'm using high poly heads, and Nielsen have the high poly head face textures, and so we'll have Herica once this is done. This works perfectly if you respect everything I did. You can then add more NPCs, of course, in synthesis over here in NPC settings, and then you can add more in NPCs here. You press a plus and you will get another one, and you can have as many as you want. So this is the end of this video. I hope you enjoyed it, and I hope this was useful.